How to redeem Amazon gift card. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can redeem your Amazon gift card. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide it through. Now in order to redeem your Amazon gift card, first you want to head into your amazon.com. You can do so on the application as well, but I'll be showing you here on the browser. So you want to head into your browser and you want to head into amazon.com and you want to log into your account. Now once you're logged in, you should get an interface somewhat like this, as you can see on the screen. You want to tap on your profile or the profile name that you'll see at the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on it, you'll get these options. You want to scroll down and you can see your account option. Beside it, you can see see all option. You want to tap on see all option. Once you tap on see all, you'll be headed to this page where you want to scroll down until you find the option there that says payments, and under payments you want to head into your payments option, or you can head into manage gift card balance as well. Under here you can see add a payment method, and here you can see rewards and balances, right? You want to tap on add option that you can see beside the rewards and balances option. Once you tap on it, you can see gift card option, reload your balance or redeem a gift card. Tap on redeem a gift card option, and then you can either scan your card or you can enter in your claim code here and apply to your balance, and it will be redeemed, and next time you make a purchase you can use it. So this way you can redeem Amazon gift card. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.